Hey there, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to make slime. A fun and easy DIY project that's perfect for kids and adults alike. With just a few simple ingredients, you can make your own slime right at home. So, let's get started. Step 1. Gather your ingredients. The first thing you'll need to do is gather all of the ingredients. You'll need some glue, water, food coloring, and borax. You can find these items at your local craft store or online. Make sure to measure out the ingredients properly to get the perfect consistency. Step 2. Mix the glue and water in a bowl. Mix together the glue and water. Stir until they are completely combined. This will be the base of your slime. Step 3. Add food coloring. Now it's time to add some color to your slime. Add a few drops of food coloring to the glue mixture and stir until the color is evenly distributed. Step 4. Mix the borax solution in a separate bowl. Mix together some warm water and borax until the borax is completely dissolved. This will be the activator for your slime. Step 5. Combine the mixtures. Slowly pour the borax solution into the glue mixture while stirring continuously. Keep stirring until the slime starts to form and becomes less sticky. It might take a few minutes, but don't worry, it will come together. Step 6. Knead the slime. Once the slime starts to form, take it out of the bowl and knead it with your hands. This will help to get rid of any remaining stickiness and make the slime smooth and stretchy. Step 7. Play with your slime. Congratulations, you've made your own slime. Now it's time to play with it. Stretch it, squish it, and have fun with it. Store your slime in an airtight container when you're not playing with it to keep it fresh. Thanks for watching our video on how to make slime. We hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you have fun making your own slime at home. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more fun DIY projects and tutorials.